This is our bus. We're going to, oh my gosh, where are we going? Poland! Okay. Just want to say we're about to head to the bus. We're leaving at 9 p.m. Okay. This is the hotel. We ate breakfast and changed and used the bathroom. Hampton Inn! Oh, sorry. Hampton by Hilton. Ooh, look at this church. It's so cool. Right next to the hotel. Okay, the tour ended around 9:19. We had to return our headset and the little audio thing. And then we have 15 minutes break in between to, you know, use the bathroom or look at the gift store, I guess. So what time is it now? It's like 9:30. So we're gonna go on to the second part of the tour. Hello. So now it's 10:25 almost, and we just ended the tours like 20 minutes or something. They had to do a quick overview. Now we're heading back towards the bus. Quickly, so we go on to the next part. Back on the bus. Okay, so now it's 12:13 and we are gonna go, the bus dropped us off at Krupnicza and we're gonna go find a restaurant to eat because it's like lunchtime. And we'll have free time until 2 o'clock p.m. for a guided walking tour. So that's the game plan. Why? Look, it's a hat and also a light. Yeah, that's what they say to do that. All these books are Vietnamese. And then this is for soups. That's a lot of vegetables. Look at how good it is. Look at all those green onions. And cilantro. Oh. I'm in Poland right now, and I'm eating pho in a Vietnamese restaurant. Hot. I like it. The noodles is different. The noodles like flat, but it's fine.
Is it like it says Hanoi style.
What's Hanoi style?
Hanoi.
Huh. Well, I like it. Yay! What restaurant are we at? Bonjour Pho? We're at Bonjour Pho.
Pizzatopia. I guess we're going straight.
What?
Oh, we're going straight through. I'm confused. I didn't know where it was.
I think this is the church we're gonna meet up for the guided walking tour. It's looks like it's under construction. We're doing the walking tour. Yay!
And one else is different also?
Yeah.
Yeah. I cannot take it back and give it to someone else. The buildings for the lectures. These are not the Virgin Mary that is protected Be closed. Just build a wall to close the courtyard, and the wall looks exactly how the other wings of the castle look like. So everyone, down there at the bottom of the hill, there is a statue of the dragon. We are taken to the dragon.
That's right there.
So there is a statue of the dragon and breathing out the fire. The fire is so many dragons because of a legend. Let's see that.
Oh, they got a wheat shop.
What is that? What is that? So now it is 16:25 almost, and the walking tour ended. We went all the way back to the main center area. So now we have all this free time until I guess the optional dinner at 18 something, 18:40. But if not, we have the when do we have to get on the bus? I forgot.
8:30?
For the bus?
11:30 or 10:30?
Yeah, for the bus. Then we have to go head home. So lots of free time now.
30 extra minutes.
Yay!
Because bus drivers need 12 hours of rest.
Yeah, so they could go on the bus again. Okay, hello. So now I think earlier we're just walking around, looking at the store and different souvenir shops and stuff, but now I think we're just gonna relax at the Starbucks. We got some Starbucks drinks and use the bathroom and just relax until the dinner thingy. So my feet are killing me. I feel like an elder, a village elder, like too much walking today. But that's enough walking for today. Hello! It is almost 7 o'clock p.m. and we are waiting for the other rest of the tour group, the one that signed up for the optional dinner at the restaurant, Moko something? Oko? Aksa? It's like traditional Polish food. So, oh yeah, I think I see the group is coming. They're on their way right now. So we're all gonna gather up and go sit down. Hooray! Finally, legit Polish food. Oh, don't go on that other side. Very short steps.
Wherever you sit,
Finish my soup.
Giant stick.
What's good? There's a lot of like hard-boiled eggs, potatoes, I think sausages. I drink all the soup. It's kind of like citrusy kind of, but it was still good. I enjoyed it. Or else why would I not eat it all, right? What is it?
Just pork chop.
Oh really? Okay. It looks yum yum.
Pork roast.
5, you had to run it 2 miles in. And trust me, that was a struggle.
Yeah. It's pork. I like it with the gravy, but the potato is the best part.
Give me one.
Apple pie with ice cream and chocolate sauce.
Can you fix her printer? I'm saying I'm
Interesting.
tossing it out there.
You got the best.
Try it.
You need the printer.
So the chocolate is drippy.
I'm dead afraid of the 88 mics because I used to have a friend.
Hard and sour. It's fine. It's fine.
We took a trip.
Ice cream. Nice. I like it.
Let's rotate.
Oh my gosh, the light. So it is 2100 now. We just got done eating the dinner and now we have some free time until the bus comes, or we have to get back onto the bus so we could go home. So I think we have like an hour and a half. We're just gonna relax on a bench next to this park with a fountain. Dark alley.
It's like Hungary. They like to have boat restaurants.
Look at these cool restaurant boats. Hi. So we're just walk back near the place where the bus is gonna pick us up, and we're just sitting next to the park to relax our legs. It's so cool. There's a bunch of boats with restaurants on them. Maybe next time, if we ever come back, I want to go eat on these boats. It makes me feel fancy. It might be a little bit expensive though, but it's fine. I like the experience, you know, looking at the waters. It's fun. It's fun. Did you have fun?
Yeah.
Yay, everyone had fun. It was very relaxing relatively. Yay. We're just gonna wait here for like an hour or so until the bus comes to pick us up. Hooray, hooray. I guess picking up near the Sheraton Hotel or something. Whatever, there's a restaurant that's called Someplace Else. I think that's an odd name for a restaurant. So silly, silly. But okay, I just want to give you that update what we're doing right now, so. Yep, all this free time after the optional dinner that we had, so. I'm gonna just relax. Whoa, what was that? I think it's a boat. It go honk honk. Okay. Our bus is here! Our bus is here! Oh my gosh, bad lighting. Okay, so we finally made it. It's like almost 8 a.m. We made it back home safely and we're about to go home now. So thank you for coming with us on our Poland express trip with Explore Europe. Hopefully we'll see you in the next future trips. So bye! Bye!